Okay, so this is the repair we need. There's still the flag in from the old line. It goes, the line should be intact all the way out to that slab there. And then we put those trees in there. And so we should be good pretty much through here. I may have disturbed it in this area doing this slab, but regardless, we hit it a couple times putting these trees in. And so all we got to do is locate it and splice it back together over here. And I still got a flag there. So if I stand back here and I look at it, you know, from that flag right there over to somewhere over here. So maybe it's easier just to grab it, right there, bring it around here outside of these trees and join it back up. So I don't know, probably 60 or 70 feet of wire and a couple splices, and that's the job. 905-638-5713. My address is 392 Progreston Road, Carlisle, Ontario.